back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine, actually my DIY skincare routine. So I'm going to be starting off with my scrub, my face scrub. So basically it's just a combination of sugar and honey. So there's no actual measurement for it. I just do it anyhow I see fit. So I'm just going to leave this to set while I do my face mask for my acne or pimples. So for my face mask for pimples, basically all I use is aloe vera, honey, milk, powdered milk or evaporated milk or whatever kind of milk you want to use, and turmeric powder. So the first thing I do is I scrape my aloe vera gel into a container. So guys, I was only able to get this much juice from my baby aloe vera, but if you want to get more juice from it, you can get a bigger aloe vera, because I was only able to get a baby aloe vera. So the next thing to do is to mix my turmeric powder with my aloe vera juice. And next I'm going to add honey. So because of the milk, this mixture, I'm only going to keep this mixture down for about 2 days because it will get bad because of the milk. So you can make this mixture as much as you want, but you're not going to add your milk until you're ready to use it, because the milk go bad quickly.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. I'm getting high in the sunrise with you.
So I'm also going
getting
to
through all the bad times with you.
Now I'm going to move on to my face moisturizer.
I wasn't missing a thing, no I do.
So for my moisturizer, I'm going to be using
and I wish that I could do it. Cause I moved on, and now you're gone.
Honey again.
Oh, if only I could do it, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you.
First of all,
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
Although I don't know if there is any scientific explanation for this, but I like to apply my scrub first because I feel it kind of opens up my pores to allow whatever product I use to like penetrate into my skin. So that way I don't pile on product on dead skin and at the end of the day wonder why my product isn't working.
And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So, although my face is not where I want it to be currently, I know with constant use of my DIY product, it's going to get to where I want it to be. So, if you like this type of videos and you want to see more of this type of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification icon to get notified every single time I post a new video. Bye.